Welcome to Maxunk Media. For info, update, keep in touch.
Good morning, welcome. Now, this morning we have a tip. The tip is we want to learn or know how we can find position of numbers, as in the ranks. Maybe you have a number of people, or you have a class where you have students in the class. After writing exam, you want to find their positions in Excel or spreadsheet. Any of the spreadsheets could do. So finding the position, let's assume I have names, and then I have score, and I have position. Okay, so under the names I have 10 students or 10 people on my list: Afuke, Hove, Agboli, Courage, Bright, Glenham, and so on. And then under their score, these are the various marks they've accumulated. Now we want to find the position of this marks, as in who gets first, who gets second. Okay, so in spreadsheet or in Excel, we are going to use a function called rank. This rank function accepts 3 arguments. The first argument is the number or the score you want to rank on. The second argument is the reference. The ref is the range of numbers you are using, or the group of numbers you are using to find your position. And the last argument accepts 2 numbers, as in 0 and 1, which indicates the order you want to rank. Example, you want to rank it from the highest to the lowest, as in descending order or ascending order. So 0 is the highest to the lowest, and then 1 is the lowest to the highest. So let's start. So first you have to select the first cell under the position. Then you type assignment, as in assignment is equal sign. You enter the equal to sign, which is the assignment. Then you type rank. Then you open bracket. It's a function, so it has to be in a bracket. You open the first bracket. So the first argument here is the number we want to rank on, which is the first score. Then is the number we want to rank on, which is the first score. So you enter the first score, then comma. Then the second argument is the ref, which is the numbers or the figures on the list. So you select all. You select all the figures on the list. Select all. All the figures on the list, then comma. Then we want to rank it from the highest to the lowest. So I'll go in for 0. Then you close your bracket. Then you hit the enter, or you press this mark sign. Then that is it. So when we check it here, you realize that our scores has been arranged. So when you check it very well, you see Afoke Hove had 90, and the first position 86. That is Agbogli Courage, third position, and then we have 290. So the 290s give us first position. So in that order. So that is the rank function. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. So this is how the whole thing looks like. All right. I've not saved it, so let me save it. Okay, so rename this file. So let me say rank function. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.